Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a poll on the X app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the X app, and then in the bottom right corner we have the little blue circle with the plus icon. You just tap on this, and then tap again to create a post. And here in the post section, at the middle of the screen, we have these four little blue icons. And the third one, these two lines with the two circles, we tap on this. And here we have created a poll. Here we can define the choices, choice 1, choice 2, and we can just tap the plus icon to add another two choices, so 4 at max. Here we can set the length of the poll, for how many days we want to have it available. And after we are done, we just tap on post, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.